Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in the tutorial how to create a basic rule on the desktop application Microsoft Outlook using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to the desktop application Microsoft Outlook. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go down to the dock. Go to Launchpad, go to the application Microsoft Outlook. Search for this. Enter to open up the application. Wait for that to load. Once that is loaded, what we will do is go to the top navigation menu. Within Home, where we have Rules, click on this. We will now look to create a rule by clicking on Edit Rules. Let's now click on the plus sign to create a new rule. And so the rule name will be CSV. We will be sending the email from the Computer Science Videos business@gmail account. Let's search for that now. Double click on this to expand to ensure that it is being sent from the Computer Science Videos business@gmail.com account. Do the following. Move to a folder. Let's choose the folder. This will go within the Computer Science Videos folder. Let's click on this. There we go. So let's now click on OK. So that rule itself has been created. Let's now click on X, save. That's all been saved to the server. That's fine. Now let's minimize Outlook for the moment. Now let's go down to the dock. Go to Launchpad, go to the additional web browser. Google Chrome, click on this. Wait for that to load. Go to Gmail. Now let's compile a brand new email. Let's expand the email. This will now be sent to the admin at ComputerScienceVideos.com inbox. There we go. Let's choose the subject. Hello. Let's compile the whole email. Hello admin, please see the email. Below, kind regards. From CSV. So let's now click on send. The email has been sent. Now let's close out of Chrome. Now let's go down to the dock. Go back to Microsoft Outlook. We should now receive an email within the Computer Science Videos folder. There we go. Click on this. And here is that email that was sent from the Computer Science Videos business@gmail.com account. We can now quit Outlook. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.